Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks. With the phenomenal success of Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, traditional media today is no longer the only conduit between brands and consumers. 32-year-old Deepak Goyal spotted an opportunity early on when social media was still in its infancy in India. It continues to be fairly nascent. He set up a social media marketing agency in 2008 called Drizzling Media. Having worked with 50 brands across 20 geographies, Drizzling Media builds, monitors and maintains its clients' social media reputation and online presence. Targeting a turnover of 10 crore rupees this fiscal, let's take a look at how Deepak is humanizing brands in the online social circle.
A former marketing professional with London-based 1000 Heads and Delhi-based webchutney.com, Deepak Goyal saw early signs of the importance of social media marketing for brands. Deepak says traditional media allows brands only to convey what they have to say to a target audience, but social media has the ability to let brands interact with people. And this is where Drizzling Media steps in to help brands and users connect better. Currently operating out of New Delhi, Mumbai and Singapore, Drizzling Media today is 25 people strong. Having worked with brands like Xbox India, Lenovo, KFC, Airtel, Bajaj Alliance and ICICI Lombard, their recent campaign on breaking stereotypes for trulymanly.com went viral on Facebook. We asked Deepak how they've managed to break through the clutter with their campaigns.
To us, the definition of campaign itself is very short. We would get a lot of requests where people would come and say that we want to be on social media, we want to be on Facebook, for instance. And the obvious question we'd ask them is, why do you want to be on that platform, number one? And number two, what do you have to say once you're there? And we'd be surprised actually that many people did not have answers to those questions on the purpose of why they want to be there, what they want to tell people. Many times it could be competitive pressures, it could be just because everybody has heard it. I think we focus a lot of our time and energy on finding that eternal purpose. So that is where the focus is. And it's surprising we don't find a lot of that in the industry, and that is something we learn from our customers when we interact with them. And since we are largely a service-based organization, I think that level of personalization and the level of thinking is what brings that difference.
With an aim to not just create a mere presence for its clients on the social media space or just focus on the fan base or the number of likes, Drizzling Media claims that its real task is to help humanize brands. Deepak says the team manages to do this by engaging customers in deeper interactions and keenly studying trends on the social media space. With a strong research and data mining team in place, Drizzling Media also offers online reputation management for some of its clients.
Having delivered campaigns in 20 countries, Deepak says Drizzling Media today is targeting large corporates that are usually consumer-facing brands. With 4 main services on offer that focus on content, research, design and technology, Deepak takes us through the campaign designing process.
We look at 2 aspects. What's unique about a business and who do they have to talk to? The learning side, which is the first step, is to get a stronger sense on the people's perception of a brand or a product that's available in the market. This gives us a lot of understanding on what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are, how do they fare around, compared to their competition and all of that. This is the first set of information that we bring in. This piece of information then gets applied to saying where can we find a point of uniqueness with this organization and how can we represent it, which is where content thinking comes in. Design and technology are support functions for content for us. So in that way, we are a very content-led organization. The idea of storytelling is very important and is really central to the entire proposition. So that's what we start thinking about. We have a piece of research for consumers. We know what a brand wants to say. We have our experience from the industry. We bring all of that together to find a unique story and to find a real story. So it's very important that whatever we communicate is truthful, is transparent, and is actually an actual representation of what the brand stands for.
Having bootstrapped so far, Deepak is cooking up plans for the future and is looking for the right ingredients like the perfect investors to take Drizzling Media forward. Deepak says he needs the funds to build a stronger research team and invest in operational expenditure like infrastructure and human resources as well. But the big milestone for Drizzling is to start making a mark on the global map.
Well, Deepak, here's hoping you continue to get a big like for your venture. We wish you the very best. Moving on, Young Turks is gearing up to enter its 13th year.